Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I wanted to talk to you about flat rate pay when it's good, when the going is good. So stay tuned for that. All right, so every now and then you're gonna come to work and everything you write up, your service writer's gonna sell it. The car count, everything's just gonna be here and it's gonna be flowing. And it can be doggone tiring. If you look at me right now, I'm covered in dirt from head to toe. The shop's crazy. If you look, there's tools everywhere. There's parts everywhere. There's scrap metal everywhere. You know, and I've been pumping out some work, some serious work. So I wanted to talk to you about how to keep up with that pace. So one of the ways where you consistently can knock that work out and not dog yourself down and get burned out is one, creating systems. So if you have really good systems on how to keep your tools organized, how to keep your parts flowing, communication with your service writer and everybody at the shop, you can keep that work flowing. The other thing is to keep your energy going. So a couple tips for you guys to keep your energy up is one is consistently getting those good night's sleeps. Two, eating healthy and right, maybe even throw in a little exercise here and there. And just take care of yourself. So if you take care of yourself, you can take care of the work here at the shop. Also, another tip for you guys is to invest in some good quality work boots, good quality cushion insoles on your boots. Maybe even have some mats at on the floor so your legs don't get tired, so you can work longer and more consistently. So these are some of the things that's helped me out over the years. There's a couple times a year where the work is just flowing like crazy, and you want to take full advantage of that. So if you take care of yourself, develop systems, you're going to be able to handle that pressure of all those cars and the car count, and you're going to make a lot more money and you're going to not burn out. So that's my tip for you guys. I'm Brian Nessa from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.